Thanks for 40 subscribers. In honor, I will be making a slime tutorial. The ingredients for this slime include 1 bottle of glue 1 and a half tablespoons of activator and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. First, add the glue the mix with the baking soda. Now add color of choice. I chose blue for this slime. Keep mixing until it's completely mixed. Now add in your 1.5 tablespoon of activator, or until desired result.
Don't move the ball. Just hold it steady. Any more?
Stop.
Stop recording?
I really like how this slime came out. Hope you like the tutorial.